Meet Jessup. He has 3 world records. Let me say that again. He has 3 world records, and one of them was with NVIDIA. This guy was a researcher at Harvard Medical School and has a background in political science. But he shifted to AI because
I follow the money.
He got into AI while doing his master's at University of Chicago and started to pitch his weekend projects. Eventually, he landed at $1.5 million offer to work at Avian, but he deferred it. He went all in on his own vision, driving 5 days straight from Chicago to San Francisco without any lease and 2 bedrooms worth of stuff in his car. Now he's building the brains of wildfire fighting drones. In Cohort 0, Jessup is building a multi-agent system for document ground and QA, and specialized agents for retrieval, re-ranking, reasoning, and verification. For Jessup, the goal isn't just better AI, it's AI that learns how to get better. And we're happy to welcome him here in the arena.